Sanibona bafethu uvana so imatch elandelayo Orlando Pirates bayodlala against Marimo Gallants bayodlala le eOrlando Amstel Arena bekuyimatch ke bafethu edlalwa ngosuku lwethandana ngomhla ka14 February. So ngizokhuluma le match le bafethu ngisoshaya ilineup prediction yami. Ungangitshela wena eyakho ilineup ukuthi ingaba njani. Le game izobaluleke kakhulu for Orlando Pirates so bayodinga ngempela u3 points. Akumele balale endleleni kule match le. Kumele bathole amaphuzu aphelele ukuze bazokwazi ukuthi bayishaye iMamelodi Sundowns bakwazi ukuthi bayithathe iBetway Premiership. Bona ungangitshela ukuthi ithini lana prediction yakho but ke eyami ungayigxeki ungitshele nje eyakho kuma comments ungayigxeki eyami just tell me yours. So nasi ke iskimi ngizoqala ngaso bafethu epalini nje first and foremost Nyamaza goalkeeping hlezi ngimdlalisa bafethu goalkeeping ngizomqalisa mina against iMarimo Gallants Nyamaza okubani uSipho Chain. uSipho Chain ke mkhulu kumsebenzi wakhe kulesi season. Kule season kumele akwazi ukuthi ayihole Orlando Pirates iye kwisicoco sawo sokuqala ngqa after so long. Kumele nje sikwazi ukuthi siyiwine iBetway Premiership umjida ekhona. Kumele aconsider less goals this season in order for us to win iBetway Premiership. The more he concede less goals, the more we win iBetway Premiership. I vouch for him to do umsebenzi wakhe against iMarimo Gallants. Siyazi ke iMarimo Gallants team estubborn kakhulu. Team estubborn kakhulu but ke we taken abadlali babo kubani koMphotsha Bathane sathatha futhi noDaniel Msendami. Yes bakhona all abadlali lapha abadlalayo oBants bakhona eswini bazosinikeza inkinga but ke I trust abajida ukuthi benze umsebenzi. Masukuthi ke ama center back pairing yami bafethu Siyema with uSibisi. I think i center back pairing so far isasebenzela le. I think ibona abajida laba akumele basilide siye phambili. Umjida uSiyema udlala kahle kakhulu. Yabo udlala kahle kakhulu. Ngangimthanda edlala noMbokazi but ke since edlala noSibisi nakhona umjida uya excel ngempela. Ngayintshela ukuthi uzoba nenkinga njengoba ezodlala noSibisi because uSibisi akamjwayele yabo. So ever since umjida edlale naye umjida uyasebenza kakhulu but ke there is another player kuMphotsha Bathane. Now uMphotsha Bathane udlale kahle kakhulu kwi-last game ade sidlala against iTTM. Naye umjida kumele simconsider but ke kule game le igame ebalekile le it's a Betway Premiership match. So asifonela ukuzo experimenta simele South sizothatha nje u3 points mase siyaqhubeka nje nendlela. Remember ke igame elandelayo siyodlala against iMamelodi Sundowns. So kumele senze short kule game le sithatha u3 points on a high note, on a high spirit. Mase kuthi nje kuma wing backs bafethu ngamqalisa mina uNdaba kule game le. uNdaba has been performing very good for Orlando Pirates but ke umjida uDion Hotto naye udlala kahle so far but ke uNdaba kule game le I think uyadeserve umjida ukuthi ayiqale lapha igame uzokwazi ukuthi akwazi usakhuphuke asebenzisane nelifdunga yethu akwazi ukuthi ayide ama numbers phambili. I know iMarimo Gallants le game le bazodlala babe defensive kakhulu. Njengoba bezoba defensive nje we need players abazokwazi bakhuphuke ayide ama numbers phambili basize ama attackers ethu afake ipressure kwi defense yeMarimo Gallants. Same as on the right wing back position. On the right wing back position I will put Sibelebele. Sibelebele is that player who can transform from a right wing back and turn into a right winger and add the numbers phambili. This is a type of player you need in your squad when you are playing against a team that likes to sit at the back. So Sibelebele is that kind of player I would trust Orlando Pirates imqalise yabo phela bafethu uVan Rooyen akadlali njengalo Van Rooyen esimjwayele so far. So I really trust umjida uSibelebele to put his best foot forward and get us a goal. Ade ngacina ukumbona ekora umjida so I'm looking forward ukumbona ekora against iMarimo Gallants which is not a good team, which is not an easy team to play against but ke sizokwazi ukuthi sidlale nabo sikwazi ukuthi sibafake under pressure. Masukuthi lapha ka number 6 so far Makhehleni Makhawula he has been performing umjida so I trust him to play as number 6 lapha umjida yena ngamqalisa mase ngimdlalisa nobani na ngamcomplete nobani noMbatha with umfukeng yabo le partnership le bafethu so far for me this is the partnership engibele ngabe simove forward nayo iyona partnership le engibele sidlalise mase sidlala against iMamelodi Sundowns and iKaizer Chiefs. So far bajida badlala ndawonye bakwazi ukunderstandana. Simbonile uSipho Mbule elithola ithuba ngosikhathi sidlala against iTTM wakwara igol elihle indlela eyisimanga. Simbonile futhi noTito Maswangayi naye elithola ithuba against iTTM naye umjida udlale kahle but ke lesisu lesi so far ngokwami I feel like isona esosisa phambili isona esidlalela ibhola elimnandi. So uMakhehleni Makhawula, uMbatha benoTetu Maswanganye. This is the engine that we should start against iMarumo Gallants. Ungangitshela wena ngokwakho sithini ischeme sakho. So far mina ischeme sami simile so far. This is a title winning side so far. uSiyema, uSibisi, uSibelebele, uNdaba, mase kuba uMakhehleni Makhawula, uMbatha noMfukeng number 10. Mase ukuthi lapha ka-right wing abafethu angifuna ukulwe ngishintshe izinto eziningi bafethu niyamazi umjida ngamdlalisa laphana ubani Osuna Police ke uyakwazi ukuthi adlale ka-right aphinde futhi ashintshe azodlala ngala ka-left. Into eyinkinga ke lapha ka-right sidinga a natural right winger. I don't think we have a natural right winger because we have Umsendamo oyi left winger, we have Moremi oyi left winger, and we have Osuna Police oyi left winger. All of these players, they tend to play on the left hand side. Yes, we may start with a right winger Osuna Police, but most of the time you will see him playing as a left winger, which is not a good thing to see when you are playing with a team like Orlando Pirates, because you would want your team to attack from both sides. Yes, you have a player like Ubani Usbelebele. That is why I started Usbelebele, because he can go forward and add the numbers like Papambili, and you would see a player like Usiyema covering for Usbelebele, and you would see Umakhehleni Makhawula dropping in and creating 3 defenders at the back. So this is how I would line up kwi right hand side yami. Ngadlalisa bani uSibelebele with Osuna Police at the front. So uthi lapha ka left ngadlalisa uMoremi. You know the deal. Niyalwazi uDaba, uMoremi uyena mjida engamqalisa as i-left winger yethu. But ke so far niyayibona i-line up iqinile. Yabo, niyayibona i-line up iqinile so far. uSipho Chaini, uSiyema, uSibisi, uSibelebele, mase kuba uNdaba, uMakhehleni Makhawula, uMbatha, mase kuba uMfukeng, mase kuba uMoremi ka left, mase kuba ubani Osuna Police ka right. This is a tough lineup so far, but ke inkinga iyayishayela lapha mase sifika kwi-striker. Yabo so far i-strikers zOrlando Pirates uMbuthuma Yesu uyalithola ithuba, but ke umjida akenzi kahle. Yes, umjida is a very very good striker esikwazi ukuhlala phambili silinda ibhola mase siyabo sishale opportunity siyithola. But ke when you compare him with Makgopa is a different striker. You saw him when he was introduced against the TTM into ayenza wayishintsha kakhulu igame for Orlando Pirates. Kule game for me ngamqalisa mina Evidence Makgopa I feel like uya deserve ukuthi ayiqale le game le against Marumo Gallants, and futhi against Mamelodi Sundowns nakhona futhi uya deserve ukuthi ayiqale igame against Mamelodi Sundowns. But ke mina ngokwami iyona lineup le engayiqalisa against Marumo Gallants. Simple Chain, Siyema, Sibisi, Sibelebele, Ndaba, mase kuba ubani Makhehleni Makhawula, Talent Mbatha, Mufukeng, Osuna Police, Moremi, and bani up front sibe nobani noMakgopa. Yabo, iyona ke lineup mina engayisetha. Ungangitshela wena ama comments ithini yakhe lineup, ungayigxeke yami, but ungitshele yakho uthi ithini.